So this next episode is called A Bird in the Hoof. Hoof? Hoof? I don't know. They pronounce it both ways in the show, so... Anyway, let's get this started. Looks like it's going to be maybe a Fluttershy one.
There you go, Mr. Mousy.
I'm sorry, is that a mouse-sized wheelchair? Okay, this is going to be interesting.
Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Aw, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
Angel Bunny. I'm late. I'm late for a very important date.
You found a watch? You wanna be a watch? You're running. Running out of time? No, you're late? I'm late for a very important date. The big brunch for Princess Celestia at
Called
Sugar
it.
Cube Corner. Oh, the princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look all right? Do I
Just
need to
go,
bring anything?
sweetheart.
Maybe I shouldn't go.
Wait, I'm sorry.
It's starting. I missed the party for a very important
Were those
date.
everyone's gala
Big brunch
dresses?
for
Why are they
Princess
all at
Celestia at Sugar
Fluttershy's
Cube
house?
Corner. Oh, the princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look all right? Do I need to bring anything?
Okay. I see Pinkie Pie's gala dress and Twilight's gala dress. Why does she have the gala dresses? And also, isn't that the dress Applejack wore in the Look Before You Sleep episode?
Maybe I shouldn't go. Ah, it's starting. I'm missing it. Oh, thanks, Angel. I mean, if you hadn't reminded me, I might have not.
Go!
Then I wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was. And oh, right, I'm late. Oh, okay then. See you later.
My little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My little pony. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong.
Fluttershy is pretty ditzy. She isn't usually this ditzy, is she?
All complete, you have my
Is that part of her character?
do they know you are my very best friends?
I love that it looks like a gingerbread house, though.
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards, anyway? Is the pay good? Hello? Anybody home? Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored.
That's such a mood.
Phew, made it.
Halt! Who goes there?
No one. Never mind. I'll go home.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
Thanks, Twilight.
I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same without you.
Creme brulee? Question mark?
How's every pony doing?
His
Good?
jawline's weird.
Anything else we can get for you, dearies? I mean, esteemed guests.
Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
Wow, Twilight. I thought I...
If I had to guess, I would say Twilight's feeling a lot of pressure to make sure her friends are impressive to Celestia as she wants to be, and that's stressful to her.
I was the only one who got nervous at social gatherings.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
Yeah.
But she's met us all before.
And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression.
Well, I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna spill that on me!
Her gala dress.
Ooh, that looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me!
Or perhaps not that casual.
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first?
Poor thing.
Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
It's okay, Twilight. So her friend's manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice.
Pinky!
Chocolate fountain, goodness.
Pinky!
A thousand pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite all right, thank you.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock!
I see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Thank you again. Oh, but of course, Your Majesty.
Okay, they need to chill.
Gotcha. And what about you, dear? Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small. Nothing means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects. Ah, Philomena, my pet. You're awake. Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
Oh, my.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
I
She's not
never seen
healthy.
anything like it.
Really? Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
That poor bird.
Phew. Now I can eat something. I'm starved.
Oh.
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt. Stay back! Back, I say! Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.
Fluttershy took it home to take care of it.
Oh, you poor little thing. How did you ever get in such bad condition? Don't you worry, Philomena. I'll nurse you back to health. As a favor to the princess, who is obviously just far too busy to care for you properly. I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help.
Just put that thing out of its misery. Oh my word.
We better get you to bed right away. There.
Oh my goodness. Oh my word. that thing out of its misery.
This is far worse than I thought. What you need is some medicine. Stat! Here you go, Philomena. This will fix you right up. Dr. Fluttershy expected that. Always works. Almost always. There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you. Come on now. You're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate. See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo!
Oh, there we go.
Oh dear. Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing.
That poor bird. Oh my word.
Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up. Hummingway here was sick once too, but he let me help him and got better in no time. Didn't you, boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philomena.
Oh.
Aw, look. I think he likes you. Your turn now, Philomena. Go ahead. You can do it.
It's gonna be so bad.
Good try.
Oh my
I
word.
know what'll clear up that tickle in your throat. A humidifier. Refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philomena? Better? Oh. That's okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry. You're gonna get better. How about...
The heckins? Hold up, guys. Alright.
aromatherapy?
Okay, maybe find out what kind of bird it is and research.
Ointment?
Oh my word.
Scalpel. Surgical tape. Feathers.
Oh, this poor bird.
Philomena, I thought it would be easy to nurse you back to health, but I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever.
Hi, Fluttershy. I just wanted to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today. What is Celestia's pet doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no, 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 no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
But she doesn't belong to you.
I had to do something.
Without telling any pony? Without asking permission?
But
I know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
But- you're right. Okay, let's go.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
Oh my word.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't say!
But it's daytime.
Well, day air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye! Phew. What are you doing?
Going to return Philomena, remember?
We can't now!
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well,
No.
no. But it can't be anything good. She might banish you from Equestria, or throw you in a dungeon. Or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
You really think the princess would do that?
No.
Okay, granted that probably won't happen. But do you want to take any chances?
She was
All
trying to
that
help.
matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished. Unless I'm banished too somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
Please, Twilight, you just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything will be fine.
Oh my word,
Did
that's...
you give her any kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can't fly.
No excuses. Done. Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
There you go.
Okay, hold on.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby. You want her to get well, don't you?
Of course, but...
Next!
Well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
It's for your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena, but she wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right. Hey, where are you going?
No, Philomena, come back!
Fluttershy, use your wings. This is really... Oh my word.
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? What does it go?
Excuse me.
Hey! Beg your pardon. Put me down. What in tarnation?
Sorry, but we've got to find...
The princess's pet bird!
Philomena, come down from there! You'll hurt yourself!
Oh dear.
I'll catch you!
Oh, it's a phoenix. This happened in Harry Potter. That's hilarious.
Professor, so, your bird, there was nothing I could do. He just caught fire.
Oh, and about time, too. He's been looking dreadful for days. Pity you had to see him on a burning day. Fawkes is a phoenix, Harry. They burst into flame when it is time for them to die, and then they are reborn from the ashes. Fascinating creatures, phoenixes. They can carry immensely heavy loads, and their tears of healing powers.
Fawkes?
So this is what Dumbledore sends his great defender.
What is going on here? Twilight?
Yes, Your Majesty. There's been a terrible accident. It's all my fault. No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault. I'm the one who did it. But you were only trying to help. Some help I was. Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me. But it's my fault. No, it's my fault. No, it's my fault. Wait, what are we talking about? Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight. But Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was going to bring it right back to you, honest. So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I deserve.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
Called it. Called it.
I don't understand. What is that thing? What happened to Philomena?
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix. Isn't that right, Philomena?
A phoenix?
A phoenix is a majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame. Rather melodramatic, if you ask me. It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. Say you're sorry, young lady.
So, aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Fluttershy.
Of course not, my little pony. Where on earth would you get such an idea?
I guess I have some imagination. Fluttershy really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves. Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
She's
No,
right
that's
there.
quite all right. I think I can remember.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
That's a good one. That would be so stressful though. Alright, bye guys.